back to the channel. My name is Tony Fox and this is Tony Fox Builds. Now today I've got a really interesting project that I started working on, and this is 100% first of its kind because this company has the only patent on it. So my buddy out here, John, sends me this video by Matt Reisner, and here's the clip that I saw.
Check this out. This is really, really cool.
8 seconds. 8 seconds. I watched the video for 8 seconds. I watched the video for 8 seconds. And I asked him, I said, yeah, well, I'm in. What are we doing? When do we start? What's up? What's going on? What is this? And he just laughed and is like, all right, I'll tell you in a little bit. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Here's the process of this project that we did together. Now, unfortunately, I didn't film pouring the epoxy because, well, my dry room looks like this.
Jeez!
I swear I'm working on it. So anyways, here's a consolation epoxy pour for you. Anyways, without further ado, you know, I don't need to ramble on anymore. You're probably tired of hearing me speak or trying to speak because I can't say words. How awesome is that? Seriously. Live edge, epoxy, that's always awesome to me. Hardwood floors, yeah, that is removable. Seriously, removable hardwood floors, live edge. You get a scratch on it, and then you can resurface it, or get a new one, or I don't know, you know, whatever you need to do, you could do it. And if you rent the place that you are in now, you put this floor down, you can pick it up and take it with you. If you've got like an Airbnb and you get some like gnarly people in there, or they had a, you know, somebody fell, things happen, accidents happen, you know, not everybody's a monster. you pull up the boards that need to be pulled up and slap them back down, because either, you know, it's always good to have a few extras, you know, just for this kind of reason, so might as well buy an extra box or however many comes in, and then call Steller and say, hey, I need a, you know, 3 2-footers and a 4-footer, and like, hey, cool, no problem, we'll just send it out to you. Awesome. So thanks for watching, thanks for stopping by. You know, please comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions about this product and what we're doing, because we've got some more, you know, ideas coming up. We've got some more projects coming, and not too, you know, it's in the near future. So stay tuned. You're gonna want to see what's next. I know I do. I want to see. I'm gonna do it, and I want to see it happen because I want to do it. So thanks for stopping by. I'm gonna stop talking. Take care now. Bye bye then.